I really don't want to say goodbye to these.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hey y'all, today is Tuesday and girl, I'm scarfing down oatmeal because I have a Pilates class for the first time. Girl, couple bites. It's good enough for me. Hopefully this is a good one. I don't know what happened to my straw. I have this outfit from Shop 437. This is a Shop 437 fit. It's just like a, you know, like a one piece. It's so comfortable and it like sucks you in. I love that for me. Oh, the battery's about to die. Okay, girl, we gotta go. I'll see y'all once we're out there. We are almost there, girl. My first class, I'm so excited. It was an amazing feeling to do a class. Who ran into that sign? Child, I was a little bit nervous because I couldn't actually film inside of the class, but I was able to film after the class, and I still felt like I wasn't trying to make people uncomfortable because people are just trying to work out, but I enjoyed it. I love Pilates. I get it. I didn't get it at first, but I totally get it. I feel like everything's gonna be so hot. Girl, it's so hot out here. It's a big deal for me because I think I have more social anxiety. Like, I've always had a bit of social anxiety, but it never was difficult for me to be in social situations. I would get nervous speaking in front of people, like my voice shakes and stuff like that. But in general, like my social anxiety, I'm able to tough it through. Now that I'm not in as many social situations because I work from home, and I get a little bit more nervous around people than I usually would because I have no practice. I'm not going to work like I usually do and all that type of stuff. So I'm super duper excited that I was able to go to this class. Oh my God, it was so good too. I understand why people like Pilates. I never understood it before. I was like, girl, Pilates don't look like it do much. It do a lot. Okay, I was like 2 minutes late because I could not find the place. I walked in like at 12:02. And by the time I got on the reformer, it was like 12:05 or something like that. So, yeah, but I really, really enjoyed the class. Ooh, I need to wipe my hands off. Do I have any? I don't have any hand sanitizer. I should have went to go wash my hands. Dang, I usually keep hand sanitizer in my car. Either way, we're gonna go ahead and head home. I may stop by a coffee shop. I don't know. But I'm proud of me. I'm proud I actually did the class. I'm proud that I got there mostly on time before the cutoff. And I'm proud I got through the class. And I wore my cute little outfit. Like, I love my little outfit. Ah, so cute. I actually need to take this part off because it is hot, honey. But I need to call my husband. I don't know if anybody else feels like that, but I be seeing people going to class and I'm like, I want to do that. I want to go to a class. I don't know what I'm doing. Girl, I'm doing this mount crazy. I'm about to take this camera down, but I'm gonna head out. I'm sweating boots, but this area is cute. It's like over here in Ameera, which is like a 30-minute drive from where I usually am. But whew, I love the Shop 437 outfit. I'm sweating boots. I probably need to turn off. I need to turn on the air and head back home. So I guess I'll see y'all. Girl, my hair is loosening. I'm supposed to take this out today and I don't want to. I'm supposed to be taking out my braids today and I really don't want to. I don't want to do it. Anyways, I'll talk to you in a second. We are headed to the grocery store to go and pick up some stuff because I am out of toothpaste body wash. Toothpaste and body wash. Yes. Girl, I've been scraping the bottom of that toothpaste. What am I doing? So I'm going to go pick that up and I need some tuna. I think I'm gonna be a Pilates girly from now on, or some sort of class. It's just nice to like do a class, do something a little bit different. So the plan for today is actually to take these mini twists out. So my whole goal was like, I want to do a workout class with mini twists because I know that it's just going to be easier. It's going to be one less hurdle for me booking the class, because when I have to think about my hair, it's just too much. It's too much. I don't want to do my hair, and all I had to do was wake up, lay down my baby hairs and punch it, girl. That was it. And while I was in class, I actually got a compliment on my hair. Somebody complimented me on my hair. She said she liked my mini twist. I was like, oh my God, love that for me. I'm definitely gonna try to do this again. Probably do it the same way. Have a stylist do my base and then me add the mini twist on top. It just saves so much time. I'm headed into the store and I don't know what am I getting. I'm getting soap, toothpaste, soap and toothpaste. I think that's it. So the bag that I'm wearing is this little bag. It's like a crossbody base bag. It's the pink one. Girl, I can fit everything in here. It actually has a little card holder. That is so cute. I'm not using that though. I'm so hungry right now. Girl, I'm hungry boots. I only had a little bit of oatmeal this morning, but I definitely have been eating less and I've lost like a good amount of weight, even though I wanted to lose some weight. But I didn't want to lose a whole bunch of weight. The only reason why I'm eating less is because when I eat a lot, it makes my, like if I eat till I get too full, like it's more likely that I'll get acid reflux. Just like eating slower, all that type of stuff. Even though I do not eat slow, I be scarfing down my food, girl. Girl, let's get up in this stove. Oh, that battery's about to die now. Girl, what are we doing here? Okay, y'all, I am home from Pilates, shopping. What else did I do? I did a lot of stuff. Pilates shopping, Pilates and shopping, grocery shopping. That's what I did, and we ate lunch. And now it's time to take down this hair. I don't want to take down this hair. I've already taken out like 4 or 5 of these, but I don't want to because I love this hair. But it needs to be done. So I started at like 5:35. It's now 5:44, and I got the whole bottom row out. I think this is gonna be really, really easy and simple. I wanted to show y'all how I'm taking them out. I really don't want to say goodbye to these. These were like my little brainchild, baby. I've never seen twists done like this, so I'm a little sad to be taking these down, but it is what it is. So that's how I take them down. That's it. Ugh, girl, I do feel good though. What I do is I take the curly one. So the curly, the 3B, 3C texture is a texture that I added to the original twist. So I take this off first. Girl, and I just rip it. But the hair is so soft, it really doesn't have a problem coming off. So that twist comes off first, and then I take my second twist. Ooh, there we go. And it slides right out, like slides right off. And she washed and conditioned my hair. I think she did a great job washing and conditioning it and adding like the pure, whatever that edge control is, that braid stuff. Amazing. So happy she added that. So I'm just gonna keep pulling this hair out. I'm hoping this will be done in like an hour. But I don't want to say goodbye to them. I really, really don't. I wasn't able to wear my hair up in a bun, but I really didn't want to tug on my hair like that because right now it feels really, really tight to wear it in a bun. Like I didn't want to do that, but I'll talk to y'all about this hair. So this is day 12. I have to take these out now because I have a wig review to do. And I possibly could do it over the twist, but no. I'm not gonna do that because I can't guarantee that it's gonna look good, and girl, they're paying me for this, so I gotta make sure it looks good. So these have got to come down. I wanted to do like a wash day routine with these twists, but I just didn't have the time. I've only had them in for like 12 days, so there was no reason for me to wash them when I knew I was gonna take them out. So, but my final thoughts on this hair is that I love it. I cannot wait to buy this hair again. I tell everybody about hot braids. I told 2 ladies about it today that asked me about my hair because I just love it so freaking much. Like this hair right here, the curlier texture, like it is unbelievably soft, like crazy soft. I think it's actually softer than the looser texture. The looser texture is rougher, but I think it's also rougher because of the foam that she used on it, the Nairobi foam. That hair does not take well to that mousse. But My biggest tip would be using the Mousse Def texture foam on the hair. Amazing, soft, bouncy. I don't have to do anything to this hair. I wake up in the morning, I shake it out, it's done. That's it. The hair is stunning. So I definitely will wear this protective style again. I definitely would get it installed the same exact way, and I would add the twist myself. So I would definitely do that again. I'm not excited about playing with my natural hair, but it is what it is. Okay. But I did enjoy wearing these twists. Oh my God, I love them so much. I actually didn't think I would love them as much as I do. But the more I wore them, like the more I loved them. Like my hair just feels so free and healthy, and I want them back. I have to be honest with you, I want them back. Hopefully these will be done. Like I'll be done taking these down in about an hour. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, because these are coming out really, really fast and quick. Knotless is so easy to pull out. Ugh, keep scratching my scalp, but girl, this is how much we got out. And my hair is so soft underneath here. So we can keep going, and I will see y'all once the hair is, I guess, halfway done or mostly complete. Can you roll my TV over here?
That's why I'm like, Olympia, do you like Taylor?
Thanks. You can see it in the background. Oh, how cool. Thanks.
Hey, you saw how she treated Jalen?
Thank you. Hey. I'm so happy.
Is this box in the back row?
Yeah. Been back there.
Like, all right.
It's 7:01. It's actually 7 o'clock. I was done at 7 o'clock. It's all done. They're all out. So that took an hour and about 20 minutes to take all these out. Not too bad, not too shabby. So goodbye, mini twist. Now I need to wash my hair and get it prepped up for tomorrow. So shout out to the hair. I cannot wait to do the mini twist again. Hey y'all, popping back in just for some final thoughts on the mini twist. As you can see, the mini twists have been out of my head for I think about 3 days. I washed and conditioned my hair. I got very minimal shedding. My hair didn't break off. I had a couple comments of people asking about how I would take this hair down. I also got a couple comments of people thinking that this was going to be damaging on my hair. I'm telling you, it was amazing on my hair. My hair, typically when I take down synthetic braids, my hair feels rough, it feels broken. I did not have that experience with this. I have very, very fine, thin hair. Like I told y'all before, my hair is like spider webs. So she can't take it. Now my hair is very fine, so you can't tell what it's giving, but right now, it's fine. Once I took my hair down and I trimmed it, it felt fine, it felt healthy. But the final thoughts on the hair is I would definitely use that hair again. I think the tighter coil, the 3C4A curl, the second bundles of braiding hair that I added, not the original braiding hair that I used, it felt so much softer. It didn't tangle as much. It was so much easier to work through, probably because I used the mousse, but I just like the texture much more than the 3B, 3C. I definitely would go with the 3C4A, which is the tighter coil. It felt so good. If I do this again, I plan on mixing textures. The 3B, 3C hair is the best hair to use. All in all, I think the style was a great style. I think doubling the twist was a great choice. I'm happy I made that choice. It did not make taking down the hair more complicated, and it didn't make the hair heavier. I loved it. So those are my final thoughts on it. If y'all have any questions, please let me know down below. I wanted to do this takedown video because I got a couple of requests about it. So I just wanted to give it to y'all. and y'all do with it what you will. If you have any more questions, please let me know. That's basically it. Girl, my nose is stopped up and I'm hungry, so I'm talking real fast. But anyways, I need to get up out of here. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.